Denji and Power are basically the same person, right? It's like two halves of the same brain cell over here. I don't think either of these characters are intelligent by any conventional means. They're very primal in that aspect. But what this means instead is that their instincts, their intuition, is remarkable. One of the first things Denji asks Aki, for example, is if Makima is a bad person. I think it's this simple-minded doofus mentality that ironically enough enables these two to see the bigger picture. Survivability and comfort. These are the priorities of champions. People who not only get a free glimpse into what it means to know, but also not caring, unless it benefits them.